Hi everyone. So you can see this working like this, right? Last time I did it, I'll leave a link below. I had to use a flip-flop circuit to do this, to make it work like this. Now the problem was it was working on a 9-volt flip-flop circuit, and what I decided to do is I wanted to make it work on 1.5. I had to kind of mess around a bit and figure it all out, etc, etc, but now I've got this working on 1.5, which I'm really pleased with. I'm going to put it together and let me see how long it'll work on a brand new battery of 1.5. That's not brand new, it's near 1.5, but it's not really brand new as such. Very nice and quiet and silent. I'm going to prettify it a little bit, put it together and see what it looks like. So guys, I've prettified it and I've put everything in as it's supposed to be, and I made it nice and small. So battery will go in there. It's working on 1.5 volts apparently, which I'm really pleased with. I'm looking for my rotor. Don't know if you can see this. My lighting is not that brilliant. Don't know if you can see this. Just zoom in. Can you see the LED blinking? Just about see it blinking. See there? So it's whole circuit there, and that's working it nicely. Amazing thing is I really wanted the other one to work on 1.5 volt, but this one works. Oh, hang on. This one works on 6 volts. I got it down to 3 volts, but I really wanted to work on 1.5 volts. Well, this works nicely on 1.5 volts, and I'm really happy with that. But I did make this years back, when the circuit broke up and I kind of lost the circuit. So I've done it myself now, sorted it out, figured out how to get to go work at 1.5 volts. So this has a higher resistance in it. That's what I'm saying. The other one, I'm going to try. This one, I'm going to try and put. Oops, magnet. This one I'm going to try and put 1.5 volts in there and see if that will work on 1.5 volts. Now, the amazing thing I found is this. I found one of the things I made a few years back. Let me show it to you. Let me stop this. Move it out of the way. So, I made this a few years back. I'll see if I can find the video and put a link there. And I don't know what the resistance of the coil is. Maybe I could measure it, but still. And this works on 1.5 volts, the small battery, the AAA battery. And what I can see from here is 2 transistors, 2 capacitors and a few resistors. That tells me it is a pulse circuit. So I'm saying this to you guys, if anybody wants to build something like this, I would suggest something like this, because it's easier to build that. Now I found this to work on here. Let me zoom out a bit. Oh, hang on. I've got to put the battery on it. Give me a second. So I've got the battery on it. No very good connection there on the battery. But let's have a look. You can see the LED flickering. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. Oops, sorry. Oops. Let's try again. It's not flickering now. Yeah, there it goes. Flickering. Okay. So that you can see that it is working on this. It's as simple as that. We can call this forever spinning top, as it were, because it is forever spinning top. A different design. We've got this outside instead of underneath, and it's still working very well. And I think this design here is a lot easier to make it work than trying to put this coil underneath and all that thing. So yeah, if you want to have a go, there's plenty of circuits. What do you call it? These circuits out there, which is on 1.5 volts. As I'm holding this, I can feel the pull of, as the magnet passes the coil, I can feel the pull going on with the coil and the magnet. So I know that'll stay on. But in this case, you just have to fill up the gap here and make it stand up by itself. I'm not sure if I can put it down. It'll just fall forward. See, it's going now. I'll get it back again. This is obviously a concave mirror. Hope you have a go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up. I might take this on a different angle because I'm not sure if the lighting is enough there. Stop. There you go, guys. I hope you do have a go. I'm not going to leave it on forever, as it were, because there's no need to. You know it works. Really works well. And it's a simple rotor. I got out of a whatever motor years ago and just put 2 magnets on it, and off it goes.